Hello and welcome to Reading Fun Book Number 2. I am David and I will be your teacher. Today we will look at Unit Number 1. I like stars. This is on page 8 in your books. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with look and check on page 8. This asks us, what do you see? Well, do you see stars and the moon? Or do you see stars and the sun? Stars and the sun. Well, let's look at this picture. So, the sky is very dark, and we see many different stars. And this right here, that is the moon. So we would check stars and the moon. Now let's go to the next page at the key words. Our first word is something you see in the sky at night. There are many of these, but one we call a star. Our next word is something else you see in the sky at night. But there's only one. We call it the moon. Now, a star can look different ways. A star might look big, or a star might look very little or small. Big and little. Now, sometimes we see what we call a shooting star, something that goes across the sky at night. A shooting star. And our last word is an expression. It is something you say before you go to sleep. Before you go to sleep, we say, good night. Yes, it's different from goodbye, because good night you only say at nighttime, before you go to sleep. Good night. Good job. Now let's turn the page to page 10 and look at this reading. I like stars. Now, first I will read, and second I will read, and you repeat after me. I'll start. I like stars. Blue stars, green stars, yellow stars. I like stars. Big stars, little stars, shooting stars. Good night, stars. Good night, moon. Okay, now I will read it again, and this time I read and you repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. I like stars. Blue stars. Green stars. Yellow stars. I like stars. Big stars. Little stars. Shooting stars. Good night, stars. Good night, moon. Okay, good job. Now, there are a few things that I want you guys to notice. First, I like stars, but the key word was star? Star, stars. Well, here's how it works. One star, but many stars. We add the S to tell you it's not one, but many. One star, many stars. And remember these colors. Blue stars, green stars, yellow stars, all different colors. And remember, I like. This is the expression we use when you see something and you feel good. You say, I like it. I like stars. You could say, I like to swim. I like pizza. You could say, I like anything. Okay, and remember, good night. This is the expression we say before you go to sleep. You say, good night. So now let's go on to the next page at Check Understanding. First, we must choose and circle. Let's look at number 1. This story is about This story is about A, stars, or this story is about B, the moon. What do you think? Very good. This story is about stars. Yes, I like stars, blue stars, green stars. So we would write stars and circle A. Let's go to number 2. Is it day or night? So A, day, or B, night. Which one is it? Very good. It is night. Yes, because we can only see the stars and the moon at night. So we would circle B, night. Number 3, I like stars. So A, I like spring stars, or B, I like shooting stars. What do you think? That's right. I like shooting stars. Yes, remember, spring is a season. Spring, summer, fall. Yeah, so spring stars, I like shooting stars. So we would write shooting stars and circle B. Now here we must check if the sentence is yes or no. Let's look at number 4. I like red stars. Yes or no? I like red stars. What do you think? That's right. I like red stars? No. So we would check no. And number 5. I like little stars. Yes or no? I like little stars. Which one is it? Very good. I like little stars? Yes. So we would check yes. Okay. Nice work. Now let's turn the page to page 12 and look at word practice. Here we must look and match the right word with the right picture. Let's look at our first word, star. Where can you find a star in these pictures? Very good. This is a star. Yeah, so we would draw a line between star and this picture. Now let's go to our next word, stars. So which of these pictures is stars? Can you find it? Yes, these are stars. Remember, one star, but many stars. One star, many stars. Right. Let's go on to our third word, moon. Which of these two pictures is moon? What do you think? Yes, here is moon, or the moon. Yes, so we draw a line. So that means shooting star must be which picture? Can you tell me? Yes, shooting star is this picture right here. This is a shooting star. Now let's go, and here we must look and check. Let's look at number 1. In this picture, are these yellow stars or green stars? What do you think? That's right, they are yellow stars. So we would check here, yellow stars. Number 2, in this picture, are these big stars or little stars? Which one is it? Very good. These right here are little stars. It's true, this is not big stars. This is a big star. Only one. Yes, not big star, but big stars. Little stars. Yes. So we would check little stars. And number 3, in this picture, is this good night or goodbye? What do you think? That's right, it is good night. Remember, good night is what you say before you go to sleep. You would say, good night. Yeah. So we check good night. Now let's look on the next page at look and write. Let's look at our question. What do you like? I like yellow stars. So this is our question. What do you like? Let's look at number 1. I like stars. So in this picture, is this blue, shooting, or big? What do you think? Yes, they are blue stars. So we would write blue right here. Number 2, I like stars. So are these stars shooting stars or big stars? Which one is it? Yes, I like big stars. So we would write big right here. So that means number 3, I like stars. What is that? Very good. I like shooting stars. Yes. And now let's go to our final exercise. Here we must color using different colors for these stars and the moon. Color the big star blue. So where's the big star? Aha! So we must color this big star blue. Color the little stars green. So these little stars, we must color these little stars green. And color the moon yellow. So you need to color the moon yellow. All right? Good luck and have fun! Congratulations! We have finished unit number 1. Now remember the words and phrases we have learned here today. Star, moon, big, little. Also, remember what we talked about with I like. I like stars. I like to run. I like pizza. What do you like? Good job today, and I'll see you again for unit number 2. Goodbye!